Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. This is Peter's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now, these were very sought after. People really liked them. They no longer make this model, and if you can even find it used, they can get really expensive, and a lot of times they will still need to be repaired. Now, we have a note with this unit, and we know that there is no transmit, so we want to troubleshoot the main PC board of the handset, and we want to locate our issue and make our repairs. Now we want to go ahead and give you a look at the main PC board if you've never seen the inside of one of these units. That gives you a look at the main PC board. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. Now, there is an issue. This is a cordless telephone, and the handset and base interchange frequencies, and that RF power can interfere with an open amplifier. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere, like radio frequency. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the RF power of the cordless telephone, and we can show you that RF interference during the final checkout. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we can do is show you the interference that we were talking about earlier. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to dial a 2 to cause dial tone to go away. So that's the interference that we were talking about, the RF power, and that can interfere with an open amplifier. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call the time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, July 9th. The current time, 9:14 p.m. and the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Peter and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.